The students of Maggotty High School are a resilient bunch. Their school was tremendously damaged by Hurricane Melissa. And in spite of this, they are pushing through. The students are training, rain or shine, as you can see, and the classrooms are in a bad state. But we're here today to see how these young athletes are still giving it their all and preparing for Champs 2026.
It was terrible here. We have suffered great loss here at Maggotty High School. Melissa destroyed our buildings, and we have been waiting for the ministry to come on board, because right now we are not even on priority list number 1, and we are out of some classrooms right now, and it is affecting classes. We have been using the rotational timetable.
After Hurricane Melissa, my house wasn't damaged, thanks to God, but there are persons in my community whose houses were damaged, so we had to open up our homes. We had to also help to feed people, help to get them clothing and so on. So it was very challenging. It also helped to bond me and my families together, as before the hurricane we didn't speak that much. I actually got to know my family members more.
All right, things has always been difficult down here. Always been difficult, because you've dealt with a lot of struggles. The weather, one of the biggest factors, like each and every day. You have to improvise every single day. So actually putting a program together is like you're wasting your time, because you have to come after that program like almost every single day. Just to work on the corridor, work with some medicine ball, do some gym work. It's really tough, man, and storm come along and even make the situation get way more complex. But to push on, we're trying to push on right through, right to the end.
It wasn't easy, but our coach tried his best to get us on camp, to let us put in some work, and so we can compete at the championship and get a good time.
Coaching at the Maggotty High School over, what I call it, roughly around 10 years now. The facility, I would have called it maybe one of the worst. Because first, we don't have a field. It's just a space. We have a little space, so, and as we said, the surface is a lot of pothole, with sinks, bumps. It's just unbalanced surface. So it kind of set back a lot of athletes over the last 5 years, like with niggles, hamstring, hip alignment. So it's a circumstance, it's a challenge like every single year. Going into a season, we have to be really focused on making everything safe, because the field, it's just one of the worst incentive, trust me.
Well, what we have done so far, we have met with our teachers and we have encouraged them to work with the timetable. We have been working with the guidance counselor to go out there, do the home visits, try and get back the students back in school. And so far, we have seen great improvement, and teachers have been making sacrifices individually to assist our students.
I'm looking forward to running a personal best, as last season, 2025, was not a great season for me because of a lot of injuries and other stuff that affected me. So I'm just hoping to run personal best this year.
My performance for Champs this year, I'm looking forward to excelling further than where I went 2 years ago. I advanced to Champs 2 years ago and I did not get into the semifinals. This year I'm looking to change that with a better time, better execution, better form. Just looking to make my name be known.
My performance at Western Champs was a great performance. I ran in the 100 and I was placed 3rd with a time of 12:19.
So really and truly, over the years, I think me and the team down here would achieve so much for the school, especially in track and field. And the help come in a little bit too slow or small. So I'm asking the past students, just come on board and come on and try to be consistent with the support, because they know the track and field is a every year season thing. So the one-off thing, it's just hard to work with. So we're reaching out to the Maggotty past students, man. Anything, man. But it's a 1-1 poker full basket. That's it. Yeah, man.
Maggotty High School track and field team, Western Union wants to commend you for pushing forward, for going the extra mile in spite of the challenges that you are facing in your learning environment after Hurricane Melissa. We are here today because we are donating $300,000 to your school's track team to help to offset some of the expenses associated with it.
Thank you, Western Union.
Every Western Union money transfer fuels the future of Jamaican athletics. Please join us in doubling the impact. Match our contribution of $300,000 to this school by donating a portion of your remittances through the GK1 app. Though they're recovering from Hurricane Melissa, these young athletes are still doing their best to race to the finish line. Download the GK1 app to send or receive Western Union money transfers and donate to your school today. Let's go further together.